Do you think that spending time to write something in a journal is an actual waste of time? Well, you are not wrong, but this is because you have been writing the wrong things in the journal. Take this activity in the video to start journaling in the correct way. This video, let us understand the basic values that the journal will help you develop or the basic things that you need to gain out of journaling. As humans, the two basic things that we need is survival and safety. The instinct of survival is provided by the physical health that we live in, while the sense of safety is given to us by our inner circle, by the people we have closest to us. The next two things as human we look out for is creativity and pleasure. Taking up a fun hobby takes care of the creative element, while participating in upgrading your environment takes care of the pleasure. Environment need not be just nature. It can be your home, your room, your office, or even your desk or your study table. The next value that human being needs is confidence and self-esteem. Of course, learning new skills and practicing them takes care of the personal development to build the self-esteem. But the sense of confidence is achieved by your outer circle, which involves the people that you live with, or maybe your neighbors, or your office colleagues, or the people that you spend your times in your fun time, like your friends, etc. The next human value that we all hunt for is love and compassion. Mental health care is the best way to take care of it. We all try to continuously earn something. It can be money, it can be health, it can be respect, it can be even marks in school. Communication and self-expression are the two human values which is most important in this case. Having an insight of how to manage and balance what you have earned is equally important. It can be understanding the financial incoming, the expenditure and the savings. It can be how to get more marks in particular subject. It can be how to earn more. It can be how to maintain the health that you have achieved. It also can be how to manage and keep up the respect that you have. The two human values that we need to develop for this are intuition and spiritual awareness. Apart from self-awareness, being aware about the universe and everything around you is what makes human an intelligent animal. The only way to develop this is to participate in communities by giving something, by contributing something and learning something out of it. Now that we know why we journal, now that we know what exactly we want to gain out of journaling habit, let us take up this simple activity before actually getting into journaling. Take any notebook or even some rough pages will do. Think about all of the 10 topics here, and for each topic, write down everything that comes to you in your mind. It can be just for 2 minutes each. Once you have completed writing about all the 10 points, revisit what you have written. Start point by point this time. Once you read what you have written for, let us say, the first point, physical health, ask yourself how happy or how satisfied are you with your physical health, depending on whatever you have written or whatever comes in your mind at that particular time. Beside this point, all you have to do is give yourself marks out of 10. Just rate your physical health out of 10 depending on how happy or how satisfied you are. The 3 points in which you have given the lowest marks are the values which you can develop by using the habit of journaling. How can we do that is the topic for another video altogether. Till then, stay safe and keep following. Bye.